Hello and welcome back to my channel Student Prepare with me, and today we will learn about special position of Jammu and Kashmir. Before 5/8/2019, Article 370 of the Indian Constitution accorded special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Proclamation of emergency under Article 352 on the ground of internal disturbance has no effect in the state of Jammu and Kashmir without the concurrence of the government of the state. No decision affecting the disposition of the state can be made by the Government of India without the consent of the government of the state. The Indian government has no power to suspend the constitution of the state on the ground of failure to comply with the directions given by the Indian government under Article 365. Articles 356 to 357 relating to suspension of constitutional machinery have been extended to Jammu and Kashmir by the Amendment Order of 1964. The Indian has no power to make a proclamation of financial emergency with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir under Article 360. Directive principles of the state policy do not apply to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has its own constitution made by a separate constitutional assembly and promulgated in 1957. No alteration of the area or boundaries of Jammu and Kashmir can be made by Parliament without the consent of the legislature of the state. It has dual citizenship. Only the citizens of Jammu and Kashmir can take part in the election of the state assembly, and only they can buy immovable property in Jammu and Kashmir. The statutory powers of the respect of Jammu and Kashmir rest with the state government and not the union government. On 5/8/2019, it is before 5/8/2019 and on 5/8/2019. On 5th August 2019, Government of India abolished Article 370 along with all the special status provision given to Jammu and Kashmir. Now all the special provisions mentioned above are not available for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might benefit. And if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.